Welcome to the Management Functions and Organizational Processes lesson on roles of managers. By the end of the video, you will learn about management process, managerial roles, management skills and management levels. You will also learn about characteristics of a good manager. How do managers know whether they are good or not? Changing role of a manager in the current context, and the changing role of a manager offering a perspective from managers. In the world of management, roles and responsibilities are as varied as they are vital. Whether steering a startup or guiding a multinational corporation, managers embody the driving force behind an organization's success. Today, we delve deep into the essence of management roles. In 1973, Henry Mintzberg presented a groundbreaking study that reshaped our understanding of management. He didn't just list tasks, he categorized the essence of managerial work into three distinct areas: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Interpersonal roles sit at the heart of management, focusing on the crucial aspect of building and maintaining relationships. As figureheads, managers are more than just leaders, they're the symbolic face of the organization, embodying its values and ethos in every action. Leadership is where the essence of management truly comes to life. Here, we see managers not just directing but inspiring, not just assigning tasks but fostering a vision that motivates and guides their teams towards shared goals. This role is about more than just oversight, it's about building the future, one inspired employee at a time. In the liaison role, managers become the architects of networks. This is where strategic relationships are built, where managers weave a tapestry of connections that become invaluable resources for information, support, and collaboration. Informational roles transform managers into the central hub of their organization's communication network. In the monitor role, managers become the eyes and ears of the organization, vigilantly scanning the internal and external environment for information that could shape strategic decisions. This role is about being perpetually informed, always ready to gather and analyze data that impacts the organization. As spokespersons, managers carry the voice of their organization to the world. Whether addressing the media, engaging with the community, or communicating with stakeholders, they articulate the organization's policies, actions, and achievements, shaping its public image and reputation. In disseminating information, managers ensure that insights and data flow seamlessly within the organization. They are the curators of knowledge, selecting and distributing information that empowers employees, supports decision-making, and fosters an informed organizational culture. In the realm of decisional roles, managers stand at the crossroads of strategy and action. As entrepreneurs, they are the catalysts for change and innovation within the organization. This role is about seeing beyond the horizon, identifying new opportunities, and leading the charge towards transformative projects. When disturbances arise, managers don the mantle of crisis solvers. They navigate through turbulence, making swift decisions to mitigate risks and resolve conflicts. This role demands resilience and the ability to turn challenges into opportunities for growth. In negotiations, managers represent the interests of their organization, forging agreements and partnerships that drive forward organizational objectives. This role requires a blend of diplomacy, strategy, and insight, as managers navigate complex negotiations to secure advantageous outcomes. Management roles are not confined to a single level, they permeate every stratum of the organizational hierarchy. At the top, strategic visionaries chart the course, middle managers translate lofty goals into actionable plans, and at the ground level, managers ensure the gears of daily operations turn smoothly. Each level plays a distinct, yet interconnected role, forming a cohesive force that propels the organization forward. To navigate the complex landscape of management roles, a diverse set of skills is essential. Technical skills are the foundation, enabling managers to understand and apply the specific knowledge required in their field. Design skills are the creative force behind problem solving. Managers use these skills to devise innovative solutions that address organizational challenges, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth and improvement. Conceptual skills allow managers to see the organization as a whole, understanding how various parts interconnect and impact each other. This holistic view is crucial for strategic planning and decision-making, guiding the organization towards its long-term objectives. Analytical skills are the critical thinking engine of management. In a world awash with data, managers must sift through information, identify patterns, and make informed decisions that steer the organization in the right direction. Characteristics of a good manager include understanding and communicating the organization's vision, independent thinking and assuming responsibility, in-depth knowledge of the business and its environment, making timely and right decisions, demonstrating leadership and empathy, effective conflict resolution, and maintaining emotional balance. In the modern workplace, the role of managers is evolving. The shift towards a knowledge-driven economy, the importance of innovation, and the advent of technology have transformed managerial responsibilities. Managers today are less about micromanaging and more about inspiring, guiding, and partnering with their teams. That's a wrap. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.